In this video, I'll show you how to make your butt bigger. This simple exercise really works, so make sure to watch till the end to find out the secret exercise that will unlock your booty gains. Let's get started! The gluteal muscles. The glutes are big and strong muscles in your body that help you move your hips and keep your body upright. Working them out is important for better posture and less back pain. The glutes consist of 3 pairs of muscles around the thigh bone. When you are doing a workout for your glutes, start with a general warm-up for your whole body. It's crucial to warm up your joints, ligaments, and tendons. If your workout focuses on the lower body, pay extra attention to warming up your ankles, knees, hips, and lower body muscles. Popular exercises for glutes include squats, reverse lunges, and deadlifts. But there's one exercise that really stands out: the glute bridge. It can make a big difference. The glute bridge. The glute bridge is about lifting your butt off the ground while lying down. This not only makes your butt look better but also makes your glute muscles stronger. Once you get good at it, you can try more challenging exercises to make your glutes even stronger. The glute bridge is good for both beginners and experts. There are different ways to do it, so anyone can learn. It's also safe for people with joint issues because it doesn't put much stress on the joints. This exercise is helpful for those who just want a firmer butt without making their thighs bigger. Unlike squats, the glute bridge focuses all the effort on the butt and doesn't involve the quadriceps. What muscles does glute bridge work? When you do the glute bridge exercise, several muscles are at work: your butt, thighs, and calf muscles. If you do it right, your abs also work, and it can help ease lower back pain. Now, let's talk about why the glute bridge is beneficial. Deep work on glutes. It really targets your butt without straining your lower back like squats might. Less stress on knees. Unlike squats, it doesn't put much pressure on your knee joints. Improves blood circulation. This exercise boosts blood flow to your pelvic organs, helping prevent gynecological issues. Flexible training. You can choose your own difficulty level, whether using just your body weight or adding weights and equipment. Convenient home workout. You can do it at home whenever it suits you. Calorie burning. It burns a good amount of calories, making it useful for weight loss and toning your lower body. Strength for cardio. It builds the muscle strength needed for dynamic cardio activities like running and jumping. Glute bridge proper technique. There are a lot of techniques for performing a glute bridge, from the classic version to modification with weights. The classic glute bridge on the floor is performed in a fairly natural way, so it's almost impossible to do anything wrong. Lie on your back, pressing your lower back tightly, and bend your knees shoulder width apart. Place your arms along your body and firmly fix your feet on the floor. Inhale and raise your hips and back to a straight line with your shoulders while squeezing your glutes and tightening your abs. At the top point, hold for a couple of seconds, and exhaling and squeezing your glutes even harder. Return to the starting position. At the same time, try not to touch the floor with your butt. Immediately begin the next ascent to the top. Repeat the exercise as many times as required. As a rule, 20 to 30 reps will be enough. Variations with weights will require fewer reps. Here it is better to concentrate on the execution technique and pursue quality rather than quantity. It's better to start with the classic version, gradually increasing the number of reps. Only after mastering a basic version, you can move on to the next, more complex one. The glute bridge is not a basic exercise, so it is better to include it in a set of exercises. It will be most effective after squats and before abdominal exercises. In such a program, the load will be evenly distributed. First the legs work, then the glutes, and then the abs. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon!